Here we have Ford C-Max that has, well, welcome back to Element Mechanical. Here we have a Ford C-Max with a 1.8 turbo diesel engine that has a CAN bus fault. No power to the BCM. I'm going to show you just now. I can read the instrument cluster. I can read the ABS. I can read the transmission fault. Immobilizer lights flashing. Transmission fault. It's a 5-speed manual. The engine management light's not flashing, the battery light's not flashing, the oil light's not flashing, and the traction control light's not flashing, okay? That's just on permanent, it's just the way the camera's picking it up. But the lights that are flashing are the immobilizer light's flashing. It's reading transmission malfunction, and we have anti-theft protection, VIN, and then enter your PIN. I'm going to turn that off because I don't want a battery completely flat. I've already charged it up, but I'm probably going to have to be doing some poking and prodding. I've checked the earths at one side. We've got earths. I've checked the fuse box in the engine bay. That's all good. I'm going away now to check the fuse box on this side, and if not, I'm away to check for powers and grounds at the ECU, which I'd imagine I'll be doing pretty soon. So, because I don't think the ECU is getting power. I don't know whether we've got a broken power wire going to it. Especially with all that kind of faults it's throwing at, you know. I need to have a look at it. But anyway, well, get back to you once we've done a wee bit more. It's a 2009 1.8 Ford C-Max. I suppose it's decent enough. I'm not very sure what that is, a mirror. Yeah, well, that's working, so body control unit is working, so back windows are tinted. Right, I'll come back to you shortly.